Hello YouTube, what's going on guys? It's been a while. It's your voice, my Daniel of Chief Cartel here. I want to say welcome back. Coming back to the channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's been a while. I've been a little busy with some stuff, launching my fashion brand, and yeah, so I just had to, take a little time off the chat. But then I traded a couple of, took some trades last week and it really played out. This was one of the beautiful trades I took. USD JPY and yeah, you can see this is an obvious long entry, right? And you see the snipe and finally give us about 150 pips. So this is USD JPY trade of the week, and as well, I also had gold. So I will be breaking this down, right, for you guys to see how the whole trade took place. All right. So that being said, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you're back to the channel, you appreciate you guys. Right. So straight up, I'll take you guys to my Telegram channel, and this was February 10. You see, February 10, 2021. This was the beginning of the move, right? USD for 5 years, and you can see this obvious cartel candle, now the liquidity. Don't understand what I'm saying? Go and look for my leaks strategy video, right? I explained this in that video, so make sure you go and look for Sterling to be more that I explained all this there. So you can see the liquidity being taken out of yours, and you have a cartel candle, you have a hit. So this is just a very very simple one and very very interesting one. And we had a TP1 at 105.150, basically called DB, DBD, yeah, DBD. And yeah, you can see. And the second TP was just right here. Had a third TP because I have to hold it straight for a little longer. So we had final TP at the highs, right? But these two major TPs here. So this was the beginning, right? Then this was February 12th. Okay, you can see the snipe. Tapped it a couple of times. If you didn't have the initial entry right here, it still gave you opportunity to take the trade again and again about three different times, right? Tap the entry. And it started pacing on February 12th, right? It's February 12th, 9:30 a.m. Then should be 5 minutes time. I love the 5 minutes time because these are time frames that a lot of hidden stuff that that are embedded in it, right? So 5 minutes time frame, 3 hours time frame, and those time frames are not the common time frame like the 1 hour and the likes, right? So it started pacing, right? And you can see the long, okay, approaching at TP1 and TPD. Then February 12 as well, it's TP1, right? And you can see the snipe from TPD. Although I didn't take this shot, right? Because I knew it was overall bearish, but I tried to look for a entry for bullish range, right? So this was where I had my entry 104.88, then I had the stop loss at 104.795. Okay, but then this didn't trigger. This was the beginning of a new day and I think a new week. Yeah, because this trade took about from Thursday of the previous week to just this last week, right? So this was the beginning of a new week and yeah, this was February 15th. My second entry will trigger. Then okay, so you can see phase all the way up after smashing TP1, right? Went straight to yeah, and this was the final move. Okay, we had the entry right here. Okay, we had a CC right here, just visible of this TBD breaker, right? You can understand what I mean. We had a breaker and we entered off the breaker. So this should give us the new entry, right? Okay, so that's that for USD. Another trade of the week was gold, right? This was another trade of the week. beautiful snipe. This is the kind of trade I love, right? Because they don't just come back to, just unlike the USD that tested our entries a couple of times. This didn't come back to our entry after the snipe, right? Just sniped and yeah, space. So let me show you guys how the way I spread it. This was February 10 as well. This gold 15 minutes time frame. You can see we have our liquidity, we have our impulse, we have our sell candy, all checked here, and we have our high PA right here. Okay, so definitely that was the still price to come snipe high PA. You can see the snipe. This was February 12. Okay, came created under liquidity, right? You can see this was it didn't touch the high PA right here. Okay, it came back and created liquidity again. So this was obvious into right. And if you're wondering what these colors are, this is sessions. Okay, it's a session indicator, right? It's just a few of the indicators I use. I don't really trade indicators, but then I use session to see how price reacting in each session. So at this blue we have the Asian session, this green, we have the London session, that's the London open, then this should I say brown? That's the New York open, which is overlap of London and New York. All right, and this other light, looking like pink or light brown also, is the New York session. The New York opened right here, which is also overlapping to the New York. I mean to the London, right? So that is exactly why we have this color this way because when you mix this green and so that color, it's going to give you this. Then London closed right here. Then New York was still open to this point. Then the Asian again. All right. So that's just the session indicator. Let's see session. All right. If you yeah. So that was a snipe at the New York. All right. New York Open. Okay. You can see this is a very beautiful entry. IP and drop from there. You can see this was February 17 before I took the next screenshot. Right. You can see our liquidity. You can see our snipe. I can see how it's went bearish. Right. So this gave us about a 1 to 8, 1 to 10 weeks reward. I can't remember precisely. So that's that for gold and USD JPY. All right. Uh, so looking at this week, yeah, this is the USD JPY, and remember this was our entry from that. Let me take it backwards. Okay. All right. This is just my Telegram channel. So make sure you're on this channel. I'll be dropping the link to this channel just in the description or in the comments section here. You'll see the link to all social media platforms and the Telegram channel. So make sure you join the Telegram channel if you wanna catch and catch more of this my trades. All right. So where is it? All right. Yeah. So this was our re-entry right on the breaker. Okay. Then you can see that was it right here. Okay. So we add another entry. Okay. We add another entry right here this night before the close of Friday. Let's see. I think I don't have that on the channel yet because this is not complete yet. So I have it. Where is it? Did I say it? Yeah, I see it. So I have USD JPY for the 5 minutes time from this February 17, and you can see this was our discount price, right? This is where we're looking to take the long entry, okay, at 105.33 February 17, yeah. So price came right, see into the entry, sniped, right? Our stop loss was just below down here, and now it's rallied into, but then this is how far it's gone. It's been it has another snipe. I didn't take this very move anyway. But then I'm still looking at price to go bullish, alright, to this is my ticket right here. So this is exactly what I'm doing. Okay. So for the new week here, because we already in this trade, okay, and for the new week, gonna be looking probably for a good entry at this mark, okay, 105.36. Definitely gonna be lookout. Then our stop will just be down there. CPOP 106.05. Okay, so that's going to be our CP. Let me just 106.05. Yep. So this is where I'm looking for CP because I can see liquidity right here as well. Okay, you can see liquidity right there, and I'll expect price to take out liquidity before if it's gonna drop. Okay, but but then if it takes out this I because this also looks like liquidity as well. It takes out this I, then we will still be looking at a bullish move, all right? But then on the 4 hour time frame, this looks very had two big things, all right? It's very 4 hour time frame, and this is gonna make it little confusing for retail traders. Then see how it goes. See how it goes. Remember, prices of reactive and not predictive. Yeah. So we can see this liquidity. I mean, you can see this is a cartel candle, and yeah, you can see this is liquidity down here for the 5 minutes. Let me take it 10 minutes. Then. You can see this is obvious liquidity, right? Okay, liquidity being taken out. So this is what I'm seeing. Liquidity being taken out. I have a cartel candle, and yeah, wow, impulse. So that's leak. And then if you want to look if you want to look at harmonics, if you want to look at this with harmonics, I can see a cipher pattern forming here. Most likely going to be a cipher pattern because if you're familiar with harmonics, you have your B point at 618, right? So you have a B point at 618 and D leg at 786. 786. Yeah. So this is what I'm seeing for harmonics. 786. Yep. So this is the harmonic pattern that I'm seeing right here. Okay. Let me take it down to 5 minutes. Okay. So I think this is clear enough. See self handle liquidity and all. So the stop loss is going to be down below here. TP will be just above what we had it earlier. Right. So that is that for years. JPY will also be looking at the Euro USD. All right, I took this right off the 3 hour time frame. I'm in this trade already, and I'm looking at price to drop to this low right here. So I saved it as well. So let me see where it's was for Euro USD. You know, down. Uh, Euro USD. Euro USD. Pardon me, guys. I can't really find it right now. Wait, I think I have it in the premium group. Yeah, okay, yeah, have it here. Okay, so you can see Euro USD. This was February 18th, and that was when I took the screenshot. I was expecting price to come snipe from our CC right here. This is our 2 hour time frame cartel candle and 50% of our cartel candle. Yeah, so those are my two entries. Okay, and I'm looking to short Euro USD because you can see liquidity as well, cartel candle, impulse. Yeah, so 3 hour time frame. See price came after that bullish move. Okay, you can see price came to 50%. I mean our cartel candle, right, and it sniped our 50%. Okay, you can see the beautiful snipe on our 50% of our cartel candle. That was massive. So let me take it back again for you guys to see. You can see this was screenshot. One two, I mean 1.2145. That was our 50% and 1.213 as our open actually the weak entry. So definitely 50% was a much more uh, precise and conservative entry. And as well, if you are used to Fibonacci, yeah, 78.6 was snipe Fibonacci, and the one was close to Patel candle weeks. All right, so this is Euro USD, and let's see how far it goes. Looking to short, tempted. I'm looking to uh, go long on dollar. Yeah, DXY. So let's look at DXY. Okay, so this is DXY, and not really looking very nice long anyway because I can see some liquidity being created anyway, but then not all the time price takes out liquidity before it goes to reach, but then it could still have something like this for DXY. We still have something like this for DXY, right? So if this happens, then USD will probably take out liquidity before it drop. So let's say I go. All right, so this is DXY 3 hour time frame. Let's go before. So you can see this is what yeah, definitely. This is what I was seeing. Okay, I can see that's right here. Um, this is our liquidity. I can see it's been cleared out. Right, obvious. I can see impulse. You can see our sell candle. See our 50% entry. So we should look long. All right, we should look long to about this zone. Look to long for about this one. Again. So yeah, that's that for GXY. Then I think USD just was looking attractive in a way. So yeah, USD just looks very very bullish. Anyway, so we're just an uptrend. So what I'm looking at personally is this is very very tricky in a way, but then we can still see what institutions are doing, right? See we have our liquidity again, we have our impulse, looking at liquidity, we have our tail candle right here. So I'll be looking short against the CHF, but then just the short entry, all right, because it's bullish overall. It's 15 minutes time frame, so I'm looking short for the 15 minutes time frame down to the zone. Okay, you can see again and again and again, right? See this liquidity. Okay, taking out, you can see our capital candle as well. Right, the these should be clear on probably 2 hours time frame. Okay, or 3 hours or 4 hours. Yes, 3 hours. 3 hours or yeah. So you can see this was the last, all right, last bearish candle before this whole move to the upside. You can see this is IPA, an IPA of Obvious IPA right there. IPA. Okay, you can see that the IPA that we have the capital candle. And this is what I'll be looking price to do for this big, alright? Come here then probably go foolish, alright? So that is for USD CHF and that's Switzerland franc. And for gold, let's see. For gold, I don't really have anything. Nothing really for now. Let's see. Okay. Oh, sorry. I wanted to switch the broker out. So, right. Because that broker won't allow me to use volume. I want to see volume. Okay, let's see for okay, you can see this is just been creating lower low, lower low, lower low. No specific reversal pattern, no specific Wyckoff schematics. Not really, just lower lows and lower highs. Exploration price could just come to this. Let's see, let's see 2 hours. Okay. Okay, yeah. So price could just do this. Alright, I think, alright, so price will just come to around this mark. So that's what yep. So quarter point 1819.5, 18.19.500 it's likely. It's likely. This is not the best of trades anyway. But then our price could just come up here with the balance. Okay, you can see and balance. So one of those marks, right? We see balance. Right. So let's give this okay. So let's make this green as well. All right. So this is second point of interest, right? Gold, gold short entry, and this looks very tricky. You can see something like this here as well, but then I prefer let's see one um, yeah, I really prefer this to so probably this IPA just as we had the IPA short right in this zone there. We'll probably come back to this IPA short or it could come back to this cartel candle right here and short. So that is that for my trades that I'm looking at for the week. And yeah, I hope this was helpful. I hope you know you guys were able to catch something. Yeah, that's it for me, guys. So if you find this helpful, you find this interesting, you find this insightful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and give me a thumbs up, and as well subscribe to. I mean, go to social media handles and follow me and so you can catch more of my trades. All right. I don't really have time to post a lot of YouTube videos, but then I just have to do this, and I'll be doing this very often. So make sure you stay tuned, and yeah, click the little bell notification so that you will be the first person to see my video next time I post. All right, and that's it for me, guys. Yeah, happy trading and hope you enjoy your week. Peace out.